Ayun, interviewhan mo yun. Para engineer 3. Okay, next dancer please. Come in. Next. Okay, young dancers to stay behind Ma'am Yoli. All dancers to stay behind Ma'am Yoli. Okay, ayuha diha. Sir, ayuha. Next dancer please. Interview ha, ma'am yun. Okay, another prince, please. Another one, please. Okay, diba? Wala na yung kapunutan ni Boomer. Okay, nahulot na. Another dancer, please. Sa supply. Sigang-sigang na siya. Another dancer, please.
Wow, congratulations, Mama. Number 16. That's one. Okay, another dancer, please. Come in, come in. Hindi pa lang po si Mami Yoli, iwanan niya eh. Okay. Girl from the last. Girl from the last. Okay, another one. Ah!
Okay, thank you guys. And now, may I call on Ma'am Rowena to present your gift to your boss? Yeah. Okay, Ma'am Rowena, you can get now your Wag yun ako tagay program si Ma'am Yoli ba para kuangin siya.
Pwede mo sige pasigaw sa
Oo. And she will blow the cake with the voice. The voice, Ma'am Yol, as in fairness. Oh, diba? Lighting of candles sa cake kay Ma'am Yoli. Okay, a gift from her secretary.